Let's talk about ingrown toenails, a common problem where the nail grow into the skin causing pain, swelling, and even infections. It usually happens when the nail is cut too short or curved, or when tight shoe put pressure on the toes. So what's the best treatment for an ingrown toenail? Well, there are several options, but one stands out the most. Onyfix. Onyfix is a non-invasive treatment that gently corrects the nail growth pattern, helping your nail to grow back naturally without surgery. It's simple, quick, and ideal for mild to moderate ingrown toenails. Unlike partial nail erosion, which is a procedure which involves removing the part of the nail out, Onyfix doesn't require any cut, stitches, injection, or downtime. It's far less painful and you can get back to your normal activities faster. So if you're dealing with an ingrown toenail, talk to your doctor about Onyfix, safe, effective solution to get back on your feet.